Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you're new here, welcome and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, liking, sharing this video with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you're my day one, welcome back my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really appreciate all the love and the support that you guys have been showing me. Please also do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and your family, and also comment down below. I would love that for us. As you can tell, I'm outside. I'm currently in Eastern Cape, as you would have seen by the title of this video or by the previous vlogs that I've been uploading. So today I just finished laundry. That's what I did. I woke up around 6 o'clock and I started my laundry at 8 o'clock, and now I'm done. I think it's roughly around to 12, if not after 12. I'm not sure. I don't have my watch with me and I don't have my phone with me. I want to show you something when it comes to my phone. But anyways, today's vlog is gonna be about me going ekhaya, and I'm not sleeping. I'm just gonna go and see them and then come back later on. I don't know if you guys can see, but I get this thing iyanluma. Luckily today I stopped before I could bleed or anything, but it was gonna start. I can tell there by my finger, like it's crazy. So next year I'm not doing this laundry thing. I'm budgeting for a washing machine, 21 kg. There's no way I'm going at Samsung or Hisense. I'm not doing this again next year. I'm not doing laundry ngezandla. But yeah, I'm gonna shower now. Ndimise amanzi nge-N, so ndizohlamba. Dilinde umyeni wami uyopick up someone else, and then I'm gonna go enye into endoyikisayo elizulu elingathi liyatshintsha. Let me show you. Bekade kutshisa, but ngoku ingathi iyajika le weather. Look at that, like it's crazy. Liyachinja sana. But yeah, I want to show you something. Okay, that is way too dark. Also, I don't want it to be too bright. I think that's fine. Okay, done. Let's go to bathroom. Not bathroom, a toilet. But let's go, and I want to show you before Nyamle. I am trying to upload this video. It has been uploading. It's been uploading. It's only on 21%. And the charger not charging. It's my bank charger thing. Crazy. This isn't this life. There's more network coverage here than anywhere else. So yeah, that's why I've been uploading this video since this is Mtata, and it's a upload nangoku. There's better network coverage, but since in the shower I don't want to leave my phone here, and so I'm gonna take it with me. Let me throw this away. I'm gonna take it with me, and yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. That's silapha. Like, I did laundry, all of this I did it myself. Like, come on, cannot say I'm not proud. These are our neighbors. The way I'm starting to like show uba I ain't doing it. I'm just gonna hang this so that it will dry off. So that is what to dry off, and then Molali sisunjani namhlanje? Uphilile? Naphila la.
You want me to put Darlene on my team? No problem. Darlene, welcome to my
This is still dirty. So we have a TV apparently. So what happened was we TV at 2 years, but we don't know by Zamzani. So Sabole Galena got that so long. Safari dish, and yeah, so that Bantu Bangabiko when they are here. Loves, let's go. It's in and out. It's after 1 o'clock, maybe like 1:05. So we are going to see Umom Kulu, Umakula Sedeben, and then Shobona Umo Parat. That's all we're gonna do and come back. Hopefully we're gonna come back before 7 o'clock in the evening. So let's go. Bye bye. I think I'm far. I think I'm actually far now. So I figure corner by a month prayer. Okay, Papa. Nini? Oh, okay. Yo, and 9 cent and he party cash. As he pays, he passing and he pays him like a mile girl. The salad cup from Seneca. So, phone share that. Born again, you mean, yeah? Zag phone. I'm like you, Alan. It was very 20 rand for a girl. Are you crazy? Nana, shame. If you're gonna ask for imali, and you party imali, okay? And I'm not gonna transfer you imali for alcohol. I have ekhaya that needs to be built. I have things that I need to do that are very important, far more important to me than that. So if for imali, please don't. I don't have it. I ain't got no money. I ain't got it. Okay. Yes, I'm working, but it's not enough for my needs and my wants. Thank you. Hola, buddy. Oh, it out. Oh, okay. All right. And are you yes? Like honestly and truly, I ndiyayicapukela le nto yabantu ezilalini xa bekubona bakufuna imali uqho umntu xa ekubona uza kuteksa. Come on guys, no, nathi asinayo imali ayiphisi benani iyasetyenzelwa imali. Yo, yazi size sigowisha and then you adding to umgo wethu bendla. No, don't do that. Anyways, guys. This is me going home. This is me on my way home. I was so surprised that imbi indlela kule ndawo because the last time I ngomsebenzi katata ngomncamo katata, it was not this bad. I don't know what happened. And imoto endiyiqhubayo is so flat. So iye ibetheke shame, which I feel so bad. So bad. But yeah. I am going kwamomkhulu, kwamophakathi ndikwamomkhulu. So kwamomkhulu, momkhulu akekho and umomkhulu akanafone for us to try and contact her and find out about uphi. So now benzombulisa nam nelizulu liyeza, as you can see liyeza elizulu. So ndizoya kwamophakathi nakhona. I don't think I'm gonna stay long. Yathini leya chapa. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you kwamophakathi because it started raining, and andibuya kwamophakathi I just went straight to ukuyobhabhayisa eDurban, and then I drove back because I was scared that imvula izawubuya. As you can see, windows zinamanzi. It did rain. As you can see, I'm showing you the rainbow there. So here I'm showing you guys up on Diakona, and I'm going to that bridge there. There's a bridge there. I think I did show you. There we go. That's the bridge I'm going to, and yeah, to go back Mzinwam. Apha lithina elulubonayo, apha kuthiwa kuseGqwesa, ilali le closer to the bridge.
Much later.
Yethiba bengithi ndibambisa ufrowe kwalizobuyela kuwe wakhawuleza wayibeka. Oh
So right after I came back from ekhaya, Freya, Me and my husband and my sister-in-law, we then drove to eMthatha. This was us driving to eMthatha, and we had it was me, my husband, my sister-in-law, our daughter, and our niece. So this was us on our way eMthatha. So yeah, eMthatha, we didn't stay long. Like on arrival, we went to a town after that, and you will see that in the pack in my makoti area.
Moments later.
After arriving at Mtata, we then went to town to buy a few stuff, and we came back, and this was our room. I was trying to pack our stuff. This is our room before. unpacking our luggage bag because we didn't go back as Lalini Kuqumbu after eMthatha. So eMthatha we're arriving at 29 years.
Eternity later.
And this was the room once I have like almost like 99% done with the tidying of the room. So this was our room after. And after that I went straight to the kitchen and I was cooking.
The next day.
Honestly, this was my favorite time. This was my favorite moment. Sisika amapichi emthini. It reminded me so much of my childhood. Ekhaya kwakunemithi. Like kuloma mama kwakunemithi amapichi. Even ekhaya, eMonfrey kwakunemithi amapichi, and I used to love ukuya emaphitshini and then just hlale phansi komthi with isitya esinamanzi sikha amaphitshi with imela and then utsotsa amaphitshi. Oh, this was my favorite. This is by far my favorite moment of my Eastern Cape vlog. Like, I love this so much. It reminded me so much of my childhood band. Like, the memories that came. I had like a nostalgic moment in Chesan. Happy New Year! Happy! Nah, it's not any food. What is this? So we bought crickets last minute and we did not get what we wanted at all. Please advise, where do you get crickets, nice crickets, so that next year we are prepaid, because we're not going to have this, what we had last year or towards this year. No. Then we're going to fireworks, man.
Ya chimoto ya.
Yes, what? Anyways, thank you so much, my love. So for watching this video, please do not forget to like, to comment, subscribe, and do the works. I shall see you in my next vlog.